Hey guys, welcome back to another NasiToys video and welcome back to the workshop. Today we are working on the fourth and final engine of the box of engines sent by a customer. And it's another Steam Long Thomas. They sent this one as parts to fix the first one, but they did ask that I fix this if possible. And it really only needs 2 wires, and I'm pretty sure I have that, so I'm gonna fix this up for them. I'm gonna get a new set of wheels since the other set was broken and needs a new coupler, so I'm going to replace that as well. Just a connector piece, not the whole thing. And it should be another quick and easy job. There was a little corrosion. I kind of started cleaning that already, but still gonna need a bit more cleaning. But everything does, or not everything works, but the motor works, and hopefully the steam mechanism works. It also needs new traction tires, so we should be able to give it some as well. But let's get started. So we've wired everything up and we kind of gave it a brush down. And you may be wondering why the colors of the wire changed. Well, that's because as I was assembling it, I felt that the red and black ones were a bit too small or a bit too short. So I swapped them out for these orange and black ones here from one of the RC engines, just so that I had enough clearance. So now before we reassemble everything, let's just test to see if it's working. Make sure that's off. Motor's working, and it sounded the actual smoke mechanism, and sounds like everything's working. Okay, so we are now finished, fully working, and smoke mechanism and the chuffing does work. We'll contact the customer and we'll get it shipped out to them. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.